Have you ever woken up and thought, why does my body feel like it didn't rest at all? Maybe your legs hesitate to move, your arms feel unusually heavy, or getting out of bed just takes more effort than it used to. If that sounds familiar and you're over 60, you're not alone. What many people don't realize is that your body does most of its rebuilding, not during exercise, but while you sleep. And the real secret? What you eat before bed can deeply affect how your muscles repair, how your joints feel, and how strong or stiff you feel in the morning. In this video, we're breaking down 6 science-backed foods that quietly work overnight to reduce cramps, support strength, and help you feel like yourself again. No gym, no supplements, no complicated routines. Stay with me until the end, because food number 6 might just change how you sleep and wake up forever. Food 1. Kiwi. Most people think of kiwi as a refreshing fruit tossed into salads or smoothies. But for older adults, this fuzzy green fruit is a secret bedtime weapon. Kiwi naturally contains melatonin, the hormone that signals to your body it's time to sleep. Unlike over-the-counter melatonin supplements, kiwi offers a gentle, food-based source that your body recognizes and uses efficiently. In fact, a study published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming 2 kiwis 1 hour before bed helped adults fall asleep 42% faster and increased total sleep time by 13%. That matters because your body performs most of its muscle repair during deep sleep, especially stages 3 and 4 of non-REM sleep. No deep sleep, no meaningful recovery. But kiwi does more than just help you sleep. It also protects your muscles. It's rich in vitamin C and vitamin E, 2 antioxidants that combat the oxidative stress and inflammation that can stiffen aging muscles. Add to that kiwi's potassium content, about 215 milligrams per fruit, and you've got natural cramp protection. Potassium helps regulate nerve signals and muscle contractions, particularly during the night. George, a 74-year-old retired schoolteacher from Kansas, was tired of waking up with stiff, cramping legs. His sleep was fragmented, and he never felt truly rested. After learning about kiwi's benefits, he began eating 2 ripe kiwis each night. I thought it sounded too simple to work, he admitted, but 2 weeks later, his mornings changed. I don't feel like I'm dragging my legs out of bed anymore. They feel like they belong to me again. How to start? Roughly 60 minutes before bedtime, peel and eat 2 ripe kiwis. No added sugar, no processing, just real food. Try making it part of your evening wind down, perhaps with a book or soft music. It's a small act, but one that tells your body it's time to rest, rebuild, and wake up ready. Food 2. Egg. You've probably always thought of eggs as breakfast food, but 1 egg before bed can quietly supercharge your body's overnight muscle repair. Here's why. Eggs provide complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild. But the real magic lies in their leucine content, about 500 to 600 milligrams per large egg. Leucine is the amino acid that signals your muscles. Time to rebuild. Without it, protein just sits there. After 60, your body becomes less sensitive to protein, a condition called anabolic resistance. That means you need higher quality protein sources and better timing to get the same benefits you once did effortlessly in your 30s. This makes a pre-bed protein boost even more critical. Eggs also contain vitamin D, essential for muscle coordination and strength, especially for seniors who don't get much sun exposure. Add in choline, a nutrient vital for nerve communication and brain function, and you've got a nighttime ally for both body and mind. But quality matters. Skip the fried eggs drowned in butter. Go for poached, soft-boiled, or lightly scrambled in olive oil. These methods are easier on digestion and retain more nutrients. And keep it light. You're not eating a meal, just giving your body fuel to recover while you sleep. Lean, 68, a cheerful grandmother from Oregon, often skipped dinner thinking it would help her sleep better. But each morning she felt wobbly getting out of bed, like her legs were unsure of themselves. We added 1 poached egg before bed, nothing more. Within 2 weeks, she said, I don't wobble anymore. I feel stable. It wasn't about eating more. It was about eating smarter. How to try it? About an hour before bed, Enjoy one lightly cooked egg, maybe with a pinch of sea salt. Pair it with a calming evening ritual, like journaling or deep breathing. It's not just a snack, it's a targeted repair tool for aging muscles. Food 3. Pumpkin seeds. Don't underestimate those little green seeds hiding in your pantry. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are one of the most overlooked nighttime power foods, especially for adults over 60 struggling with muscle cramps or restless sleep. Why do they work so well? Magnesium is the key. Just 1 ounce, about 28 grams, of pumpkin seeds provides roughly 37% of your daily magnesium needs. This mineral is essential for muscle relaxation, nerve function, and keeping nighttime cramps at bay. If you're waking up with stiff legs or those sharp 3 a.m. calf cramps, a magnesium shortfall could be to blame. But there's more. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that converts into serotonin and then into melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormone. Unlike pills, this is a food-based way to gently encourage deeper, more restorative sleep. What does that mean for you? Better sleep equals better muscle repair. Your body uses the deepest sleep stages to rebuild tissues and balance stress hormones that influence recovery and energy. Meet Harold, a 72-year-old retired gardener from Iowa. He loved tending his roses, but dreaded mornings. I stretch, I move, but my legs feel like logs, he said. We added just 1 tablespoon of unsalted pumpkin seeds before bed. Within 10 days, Harold noticed the difference. I sleep through the night. My legs don't feel like they're holding tension anymore, he shared. Bonus, pumpkin seeds are also rich in zinc, a mineral that supports hormonal balance, immune health, and even testosterone, especially beneficial for older men maintaining muscle mass. How to try it? About 30 minutes before bed, enjoy 1 to 2 tablespoons of plain, unsalted pumpkin seeds. You can eat them on their own, sprinkle them over a bit of plain yogurt, or gently toast them to enhance flavor. Keep the portion small and avoid salted versions if you're monitoring blood pressure. Think of them not as a snack, but as a muscle-calming tonic in disguise. Food 4. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese may not win any popularity contest for taste or texture, but when it comes to nighttime muscle recovery, it's unmatched. Here's why. Cottage cheese contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that steadily releases amino acids into your bloodstream throughout the night. Think of it as a time-release supplement for your muscles. While fast-digesting proteins like whey or eggs give you a short burst of amino acids, casein keeps working silently for 6 to 8 hours, exactly the time your body is in deep repair mode. It's also rich in leucine, the key amino acid that directly triggers muscle protein synthesis. And unlike many nighttime snacks, plain cottage cheese is low in carbohydrates, meaning it won't cause blood sugar spikes that interfere with your sleep or recovery. That makes it ideal for older adults managing diabetes or prediabetes. Real-life story. Meet Martha, 76, a retired librarian in Oregon. She found herself struggling to climb stairs, not due to pain, but because her legs felt weak. Getting out of the car was an effort, she said. We added just a small bowl of low-fat cottage cheese to her routine about 30 minutes before bed. Within 3 weeks, she said, it's like my body got the memo. I'm using my legs again. Scientific support. Research published in the British Journal of Nutrition shows that consuming casein protein before sleep increases overnight muscle protein synthesis, particularly in older adults who need it most. How to eat it? Go for plain, low-fat, and low-sodium cottage cheese. No fruit flavor versions or sugary toppings. If you want to boost flavor, add a few slices of kiwi for extra melatonin or a light sprinkle of cinnamon for antioxidant support. Avoid mixing it with heavy ingredients. It's not dessert, it's muscle therapy. Just 2 to 4 spoonfuls is enough to make a real difference. And best of all, no cooking, no mess. Just a quiet, creamy step towards stronger mornings. Food 5. Tart cherry juice. If you're over 60 and waking up with stiff knees, restless legs, or aching muscles, your body may be missing a quiet but powerful helper. Tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are rich in anthocyanins, a class of antioxidants that target inflammation, a major contributor to joint pain, muscle soreness, and nighttime discomfort. But the real magic lies in how they support sleep and recovery. One clinical trial published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who drank 8 ounces of tart cherry juice nightly slept longer and better. These participants also experienced reduced levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, a key marker of inflammation. Better sleep, less inflammation, both crucial for maintaining strength after 60. Another surprising benefit? Tart cherries help regulate uric acid, which may ease pressure in the joints and help reduce the frequency of nighttime leg cramps. Linda's story brings this to life. At 64, she was tired of waking up with stiff knees and calf cramps. Walking in the morning felt like dragging cinder blocks. After learning about tart cherries, she added a small glass to her nightly routine. Just 1 week later, she noticed a difference. I sleep deeper, my knees don't scream at me in the morning, and my legs aren't cramping anymore. Why does this work so well? Tart cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the sleep hormone. But unlike pills, cherry juice delivers melatonin in a gentle, food-based form, easy for your body to recognize and use. How to use it? Choose unsweetened, 100% tart cherry juice, not the sugary blends. About 6 to 8 ounces, 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime, is ideal. Too much can add unnecessary calories or sugar, but a small glass is just enough to nudge your body toward deeper rest and repair. A tip: chill it and sip slowly as part of a calming nighttime ritual. No side effects, no pills, just a simple, fruity way to sleep deeper and rise stronger. Food 6. Greek yogurt plus berries. This powerhouse combo may be the most delicious way to wind down your day while doing serious work for your body overnight. Let's start with the base: plain Greek yogurt. Just one serving, about 4 to 5 ounces, delivers a solid 15 to 20 grams of complete protein, rich in casein, a slow-digesting type that continues feeding your muscles while you sleep. Greek yogurt is also packed with probiotics, which are friendly bacteria that support your gut health, a lesser-known but crucial player in muscle repair and inflammation control. In fact, about 70% of the immune system is housed in the gut, and an inflamed gut can disrupt everything from sleep quality to nutrient absorption. Toss in a handful of mixed berries, like blueberries or raspberries, and you add fiber, antioxidants, and a gentle form of natural carbohydrates that stabilize your blood sugar overnight. These berries fight oxidative stress and support mitochondrial health, both essential for muscle regeneration. Here's a real-life example. Samuel, age 70, used to wake up nearly every night with leg cramps and felt sluggish by morning. He added a bedtime ritual of a small bowl of Greek yogurt with berries. In just 2 weeks, his digestion improved, his sleep became deeper, and the cramps vanished. I wake up now with energy, not aches, he said. How to enjoy it? About 60 minutes before bed, serve 4 ounces of plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened, with half a cup of berries. No sugar needed. Let the berries do the sweet talking. You can even sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon or a few pumpkin seeds for bonus benefits. It's creamy, satisfying, and best of all, it works while you rest. Implementation plan. Make it work for your week. Here's how to easily rotate these 6 foods into your routine. No overwhelm, just rhythm. Weekly bedtime routine template. Monday, 2 kiwis plus short walk before bed. Tuesday, 1 poached egg plus cold shower when down. Wednesday, pumpkin seeds plus light garden stroll. Thursday, cottage cheese plus 10-minute yoga stretch. Friday, 6-ounce tart cherry juice plus read a calming book. Saturday, Greek yogurt plus berries plus podcast walk. Sunday, choose any combination that felt best during the week. Each of these pairings builds a rhythm that's sustainable and soothing, not stressful. That's the goal. Simple grocery list. Ripe kiwis, 4 to 6. Cage-free eggs. Unsalted pumpkin seeds. Low-fat, low-sodium cottage cheese. 100% tart cherry juice, unsweetened. Plain Greek yogurt. Frozen or fresh mixed berries. Habit stacking tips. Pair your new food ritual with existing nighttime behaviors. After brushing teeth, Eat your snack. Yes, reversed order for a reason. When you dim the lights, sip your cherry juice. During your wind down podcast, enjoy yogurt or seeds. Remember, you don't need perfection. You need consistency. If you do this 4 nights a week instead of 7, that's still progress. Even a 50% effort can lead to 100% better mornings over time. The strength you're after isn't built in a day. It's built every night with one simple choice at a time. You're not just aging, you're evolving. And the right habits can guide that evolution towards strength, stability, and smoother mornings. These 6 nighttime foods, kiwi, egg, pumpkin seeds, cottage cheese, tart cherry juice, and Greek yogurt with berries, are more than snacks. They're science-backed tools packed with melatonin, magnesium, leucine, and antioxidants, nutrients your body craves while you sleep. Even small changes can lead to major improvements. Start simple. Eat 2 kiwis tonight. Tomorrow, try a few spoonfuls of cottage cheese. Then ask yourself, how do I feel waking up? Over the next week, you might just surprise yourself. Your strongest years aren't over. They're being rebuilt night by night. And you deserve to wake up feeling steady, not sore. Supported, not stuck. If this video gave you hope or something new to try, please give it a like. Comment below with a habit you'll try first. And share this with a friend or family member who deserves better rest and strength too. For recipes, timing ideas, and a printable routine checklist, grab the free cheat sheet linked in the description. Until next time, sleep gently, eat wisely, and honor the strength still waiting in you.